Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today's unboxing, as you can tell from the thumbnail, is going to be another Teddy Santis and New Balance 990 V3. This time in the Marblehead Incense colorway. I have been liking a lot of the V3s that Teddy Santis have been dropping, so it only made sense to pick this one up. I recently picked up the 990 V3s in the sea salt colorway, and I have been really feeling those. Overall, I definitely like what Teddy Santis has been doing with this collection. He's just taken New Balance models and enhancing the materials and giving us a fresh take, which in my opinion I think he hits the mark every time so far with this collection of sneakers. So, to get into this sneaker, first things first, the materials go crazy. On the upper, we have that hairy suede wrapped around majority of the shoe. And then we have some light brown suede piping on the forefront of the shoe. It's not as hairy as the gray suede, but it's still premium to the touch. And to finish off the upper, we have some olive mesh and the New Balance logos on the tongue and the heel, which are reflective. The midsole of the sneaker is white and aged. I guess you could call this aged, which gives it a vintage feel, encased in the end cap technology, which adds to the superior comfort of New Balances, in my opinion. Let me know down in the comments below which one is your favorite so far. I feel like I'll put these over the sea salt, and then I'll put the raw amethyst over this one. So for me, the raw amethyst, these Marbleheads, and then the sea salt coming in third, in my opinion. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And the next week's video should be the raw amethyst, hopefully. I'm trying to find a pair for retail, but until then, peace and thanks for watching, guys.